Hi folks, it's Rick from AC Copeland Refrigeration Service. Okay. This is part 2, semi-hermetic, 1 horsepower Copeland compressor for a walk-in cooler. So I've exchanged all the parts we needed to do. Put a new relay in. Standard procedure, put a new relay. And looking good. So now we're evacuating. Looks good. It's down 30 microns. So I'm going to go ahead and get this ready to get started up here in just a little bit. Give us a call for any refrigeration, air conditioning, heating needs. Thank you. 484-764-7738. Okay, I just put the breaker on. Unit's running. Pressure's good. Getting cold. Getting hot. Condenser fan motor working. So we're up and running. Thanks folks for tuning in. Give me a call. 484-764-7738 for any refrigeration, air conditioning, or heating needs. Thank you very much.